Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It feels good to say that. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab, because I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. So I was going, but it's raining. Like, yeah, it's off and on. So I was going to go pick up this car today from the auction, but I'll do that tomorrow. So I'll just give y'all a video of this Acura, show y'all the before that I picked up off of backline. I think I gave $500 or $600 for it. It's a 2008. I gave like $500 or $600. So we'll just do a quick little walk around. I already drove it yesterday when they dropped it off, but I'll give y'all a little walk around it before. And then I'm gonna call around. Oh, that's what I need to do. Salvage yard. I'll do that another day. I'll pick that part up tomorrow as well. I ain't too big of a rush. I'll just pick it up tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna show you this Acura. It's a 2008 Acura TL. Like I said, I paid $500-600 for it. I'm not sure if I want to just slap the fender on and get like a little certificate bumper, like a little black certificate bumper. I don't know if I want to keep it for myself just because I got it so cheap, and you know, because it's a nice car. You know, Acura, Honda, same thing. But let me know in the comment section below. You know, for that price, you know, fixing it up, and it does have a clean title. It was wrecked, but it does have a clean title. So I'll do a little walk around in the rain, start it up and stuff like that. And now let me know in the comment section below, is this something that I should keep, or should I just go ahead and maybe spend? Probably like a fender was, because it didn't look like it made any frame damage. So the fender's probably like $50. Bumper's probably like $100. Pay Wilson probably like $50 to put it on and straighten it, like $50 to $100 to have it put it on and straighten it, get a grill. So probably another, and then oil change, detail, and the interior is really not bad. The seat, it needs front and back seat coverage, so that's probably another $50-60. So we're looking about $400 into it, $400 or $500, no more than $500. So we'll probably be at $1,000-1,100. And it's an Acura, so I know I can sell it for $35, $4 grand, maybe $45. You know, it has 177,000 miles on it. But I'll quit talking. I'll show y'all when we get there. Alright. Yeah, I'm sure that we're just gonna pull it up in the front. We're not gonna go. Just pull it up to the front of my lot. I know we like buying some cars every now and again with a little bit of body damage. You know, not all of them, not all the time, but for the right price. And while I still got Wilson, you know, if Wilson would have had retired, then, you know, I would have. Battery kind of weak or something. You know, if Wilson would have retired, then, you know, I would have had to kind of switch my game up, but he ain't retired yet. So I'm gonna just go up here and take this all the front of the lot. Does have a little power steering one. Power steering is a little whining, but yeah, we do. So definitely need a bumper. That's got to be like to the fog lights or something. So it didn't like mess up no frame or nothing like that. So whatever they hit, I'm pretty sure they hit it from this side, like they knocked the bumper, like. So I called the salvage yard. They said they got a matching fender right there. I'm gonna see if they got the headlight as well. But they got the matching fender. They don't got the bumper. It's got some little dings and stuff. on there. If y'all can see it, like a little ding like right there. But tires are good all the way around. Good tires all the way around. Got a little ding right there. Like I said, tires in good shape. Doesn't have any check engine lights though. Doesn't have a check engine light on. No service lights, you know. It's just service past due, so like oil change and stuff. Got heated seats. All these seats is toe up. So I'm gonna get it detailed. So I'm gonna have them clean the carpet after I take it to the body shop, and I'm gonna get the front and back seat covers. Get some front and back seat covers. Yeah, so I'm gonna have them clean the carpets and stuff, take the carpet out and clean it. But yeah, I need front and back seat covers. So, but leather sunroof, all of that. Look, so bag lots, waiting on pickup. They was waiting to pick it up. Like I said, tires are good all the way around. It drives and shifts good. It has a little dent in the hood right there. So that's probably just gonna have to stay, because I don't know how much that's gonna cost to fix. And I don't want to push it up and then the paint start cracking, you know. So I know I'm gonna get the fender. I got the Salvage. I got the fender. They got the headlight. Probably go. I'm gonna search around for the front bumper. If not, then I'm gonna just throw the certified black bumper on there. I wanted to, cause see, they got the didn't bend anything. It still got the support. I don't know. It's a pretty dope looking car. Pretty dope looking car, 2008. You know. Who knows? I could go get the windows tinted. Little rod. It could be my new little. It ain't a Kia Turbo, but I don't know. Is this the far does the seat go back? Let's see. Usually the pad. So something sticking. It's not letting it go all the way back. I'm like, I know. Yeah, it's something sticking because it needed. We gotta at least go like another inch back, because if you don't, then I can't even rock with this one. But I'm gonna have to check that out. There's probably some dirt and stuff on the track, you know, like when the seats and stuff don't be wanting to fully go back. And like if a car is dirty, then it's got like dirt and stuff on the tracks. The track probably got probably got a coin or something causing it to go back. Okay. That's not hard to do. All I gotta do is just call. All you gotta do is just Honda or Acura ever doing that, just call the dealership, give them your VIN number. Then they're gonna give you 2 codes, and you just put in one of the codes. But like I said, the car runs and drives good. It doesn't have no service lights. Let me know in the comment section, like power steering, a little whining. So I don't know if it's the pump or the hose, but I'm gonna check it out. But let me know in the comment section below what I can sell it for. Would you keep it? You know, would you invest a couple more $100s into it and just keep it? You know, me, you know, I get the oil change, all the fluid stopped off, power steering, pumper, hose, place that, grab that bumper and grab that fender and stuff from the salvage yard, fender and the headlight, throw that on, and then slap a bumper on. And I can buy some front and back seat covers. And like I said, it only got 177,000 miles. And y'all know, for a Honda / Acura, it ain't even broke in yet. It ain't even broke in yet. That means it's got a lot of life to go. At least got a bare minimum of another 100,000. You know, Honda and Acura, you know, get you 250 easy. Get you 250 easy, but I could just sell it though. Let me see the battery. Battery ain't all the way bad, but it probably just need to be ran a little bit. Or I'll fix it up and just sell it. You know, invest the 500, invest 500 more into it, and then just sell it for 45, 4 grand, 30, somewhere in there. Anything over 35 is good. Anything over 35, that's a $2,500 profit. So anything over there is just icing on the cake. But I appreciate y'all for stopping in. If y'all haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.